Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. This is an item you don't see in a lot of first aid kits, but can be super useful in some emergencies. So this is a multi-trauma dressing, and basically it's a giant 5x9, kind of made of the same material, but a lot bigger bandage. So maybe a vehicle kit, something like that, a home kit. You're not walking around with this in your IFACT on your belt, not gonna work. So I would use this, like I said, in a home kit. This is gonna be for that avulsion, kind of skin tears, nasty cuts, but don't need like a tourniquet, but just some, maybe you need bulky dressing, things like that. That's kind of what I would use this for. So, you know, obviously if it's a major laceration, we do something different, but like multiple lacerations here, they're just oozing blood, things like that. This is a perfect example of that. I think I've used it for like somebody got cut in glass and had like a bunch of little small cuts, nothing really major. So we just wrap it in this and then wrap some dressing around it and we're good to go. So this would be something good for your home kit or your vehicle kit to take a look at. I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.